Alright guys, welcome back to another geometry lesson, the fourth lesson. In this lesson, we'll be learning about parallel lines and transversals. Let's move on to the next one. So parallel lines are lines that never intersect. So here we can have one line here, and then we have another one over here, and they have the same distance apart, so that means they will never intersect. What I mean intersect is that there's a line here, and then at some point there's a point that the both lines cross and reach out to each other. So a symbol for parallel lines would be something like this. It's just like, think about it as two L's. And examples of parallel lines will be like railroad tracks, roads, notebook lines, since they're straight and they'll never intersect each other. So yeah, those are examples. Then what is a transversal? A transversal is a line that intersects two or more lines. So here we have two parallel lines, and then out of nowhere, there's this third line that crosses these two lines. That's a transversal. And here in the transversal, it creates a bunch of different angles that we gotta know and apply them. So a lot of important angles. Alright, so there's corresponding angles, there's alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, and same side interior angles. So alternate interior, so it would just be something like here and here. It goes inside of the parallel lines. Then we have alternate exterior, something like number 1, and then over here B, since they're outside of the two parallel lines and they're alternate to each other because there's one here on the left and another one on the right. Then corresponding angles and same side interior angles. So here we see 1 and 5 are corresponding angles. Then 3 and 6 are alternate interior angles. So just imagine it as, I don't know, something like there. And then 2 and 8 are alternate exterior. So you could just say 2 here, and then 8 would be up here, in number 1. Then afterwards, 4 and 5, they're supplementary angles. So just imagine 1 and 5 being supplementary since they add up to 180. So here you guys can see another problems and stuff, example problems, and we could find missing angles and stuff like that. So its applications in geometry and stuff, we need to use in proofs, which you guys will learn later on. Finding unknown angles and shapes were real world applications, and it's pretty common to make mistakes around this. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you guys learned something important today. Thank you.